Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the host PC so connections will work. Enable Remote Desktop in Settings System Remote Desktop and write down the exact PC name. Make sure the signed-in account has a password. Remote Desktop rejects blank passwords. Once done, allow Remote Desktop through Windows Firewall and enable network-level authentication for security. If the machine sits on a corporate network, confirm group policy or admin settings don't block RDP. Otherwise, you'll hit permission errors later. Next, you configure network details and the client app so the session can reach the host. On the host, run ipconfig to get local IP. If you plan to connect over the internet, set a static local IP and forward TCP port 3389 on your router to that address. On the client device, install Microsoft Remote Desktop and create a new connection using the host name or IP plus the user account. Make sure DNS or dynamic DNS is set if the public IP changes, otherwise reconnects will fail. Finally, you make the connection and verify it works. Open the Remote Desktop client, enter the host IP or DNS name, supply the user credentials, and accept any valid certificate prompt. If you can't connect, first confirm the host is powered, on the network, and not asleep. Then recheck firewall rules and router port 3389 forwarding. If authentication fails, verify the username format and password, and inspect Remote Desktop and Event Viewer logs on the host to pinpoint blocked logins or network timeouts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.